What up, E-fam? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're here at a West Covina Park. Somewhere I haven't been. Shadow Oak Hill, West Covina Park. And I'm glad to say that we have our Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volts E-Bike back. This is a nice area. So we're gonna vlog about it a little bit. Yep, I've never been here before. But everyone's looking at me like crazy because I'm on an e-bike. We finally got it back. So what the story with this one is, I lent it to my cousin and they borrowed. That's why I haven't been riding it so much, or I haven't been blogging about it. A couple things we changed, or a couple things I changed lately is you could buy the headlight $10 on Amazon, and it comes with a pack of 2, and it's brighter, the bulb itself. And then you just open the casing, pop in the bulb, do a little bit of modification, and you can get that bulb brighter. There's a lot of YouTube videos on it already, so I'm not gonna really go in details about it. My fairing is still here. I zip tied that. It just goes behind this headlight pretty well. It's pretty snug, and just zip tie it in the handlebar. I bought this on Amazon as well. I think it was like $35. This 165 mil suspensions, rear shocks. It's much better than the original one. The original one, for my weight, I'm only 155 pounds. It wasn't giving any suspensions for me. What else have I done? The handlebar, we got a little bit of a wider one. I'm not sure how wider this is, but it's definitely wider, probably 2-inch wider than the original one, and it's nicer to handle, in my opinion. There's about 643 miles on this puppy already. It looks like the rear tires are starting to decline. It's on its way out. I'm gonna get moto tires on this one soon, Shinko ones. I'm gonna lose top speed on it and probably torque, but at least I won't get a lot of flats. Obviously the RX seat, Super73 RX seat is here. This is just Velcro tape. I like the overall look of that much more than the original one, and it also drops the height for me, because the original seat is about 1.5 inches taller and wider, so it's not really comfortable to sit on. I added my horn, light, and alarm. That's only like $30 on Amazon. But pretty much it. That's going to be the quick vlog of this bike. In 2023, I still recommend this bike because of the value of it. It's still such a good value. Around $2K, you get about 33, 35 miles per hour. You get about 30 to 40 miles in range. On today's prices, with the inflation, everything's going up. So I still really recommend this in 2023. It's still a good, nice looking bike. I really recommend, again, the suspensions, the rear suspensions, and a better headlight. I think those are the only cons that I can think of. And the handlebar. You know, these are all minor stuff. I did put a thumb throttle here because that's just what I like more. I like the fact that you can ride it standing up with a thumb throttle. If you have the twist shift throttle, it's much harder to stand up on while you're going. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of riding around our West Covina Walnut area, somewhere I haven't really been, and check out the sights. If you're about at 640 miles, the brakes, I think, is gonna need some changing soon, depending on how much you ride it. But it seems like it's on par with the Super73 S2 or even the RX. Around 700 to 900 miles, I would change it out completely. I do notice that the newer models for the xclass 52 volts have rear signal lights now and a different headlight altogether. So that's even better for your value because they have signal lights in the rear. So that's really cool. But that's going to be it in today's quick update on this e-bike. Stay tuned for more content. I'm going to be using this as a pavement steed more. And I don't really recommend it off-roading because of the scrambler style. But light trails, light dirts, I recommend it. Pretty cool, pretty handy. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on the e-bike that you choose. Like and subscribe. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.